Hi guys, Shar with Your Site Needs Me here. I wanted to show you this awesome new upgrade that IDXBroker just recently released on their Facebook app, the Facebook connection of IDXBroker to your Facebook page. So if you've used this before, you know that within your IDXBroker account, there's an ability for you to connect your IDXBroker featured listings to your Facebook business page. And in the past, when you came to your business page, it would look like this. You'd see featured listings on the left-hand side. And when you click on it, you'll see your company listing, your personal listings. If you're an agent, you'd see your listings. If you're a company, you'd see, or a broker with a multi-agent account, you'd see your broker listings. And allows you to edit this so you can show so many at a time. But it's only going to show your company listings, not allow the customer to actually search homes for sale or anything like that. So they released this brand new update recently, and I want to show you it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your IDXBroker account, and you'll see this notice right here that says they have a new look. When you come in here, you're going to go to Designs, Pages, scroll down until you see Facebook right here, and click on Edit. Now, if you've already connected the version 1 of the Facebook app, then you're going to see this, and you're just going to switch it to version 2. But let's actually pretend like you hadn't set anything up yet. So if you're brand new and you haven't set this up, the first thing you're going to do is go to the Facebook page ID. Go to your page, and let's get rid of that because we want to just be at the home page. So be at your home page, copy your URL here, paste it in here, and hit Fetch Page ID. This little box right here will be empty when you first do this. So you want it to have this little number in here. Then you're going to switch over to Settings, and you're going to make sure that this is on version 2, and then I'm going to save it. You can choose how many listings per page you want. It's going to be a grid, so choose your listings before you save. And then you're going to want to click Link on Facebook. So you want to be logged into your Facebook, which you should be at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Link on Facebook. It's going to bring me to this page. If you have multiple business pages that you manage, you'll see this drop down, and you want to choose your page that you want to show that tab on. So I'm going to click that and Add Page tab. Great. So now this part of it is done. In the next step, you're going to go to your page, and we're going to refresh it. And you're going to see the new tab is down here at the bottom. Now, if you have the old one, this is going to be the one we were just looking at. This is the version 1. And then here is version 2. So version 2 is pretty awesome. Beautifully laid out, very nice grid. You can scroll up and down. Has a little animation when you put your mouse over it. You have the featured listings up here, and you have the search feature right here, which when you get to it, you have this nice, beautiful layout. Click on Search Listings. Opens right up into your advanced search page. Hopefully you have some good lead capture settings. If you're one of my partners, you do. And it will help you capture leads right from Facebook. So awesome feature. You can actually use this link right here in your Facebook. You can promote the link, tell people to go to it in your Facebook page and search properties. Pretty cool. Now, how do we get this up here and get rid of the first one? So the next step is you're going to come over here to Settings, and then you're going to click on Edit Page. And if you happen to have had version 1, you're going to click, this is version 1, and this is the version 2. So we're going to go ahead and click on Settings here, and we're going to toggle this to off and save. Boom, it's gone. Then we're going to grab featured listings here, and we're going to bring it up, drag it up. I want it to be the very first item because I want it to be the first item that people see when they come to my Facebook page. I'm going to click on Settings, and then I'm going to click Edit Settings, and I'm going to change the name of this to Search Homes. You'd have it whatever you feel confident it being the best tab name. Name it whatever you want. But in this case, I'm going to say Search Homes. I'm going to hit Save, and I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to hit Save. So now I am going to right click over here and open this in a new tab. And there you go. There you have it. Search homes. When I click on it, has my properties and my search. If you're a client of mine and you want me to update this for you, all you have to do is make sure I have your proper Facebook login, and I will go ahead and do that for you. You have to be under my IDXBroker developer account, obviously, for me to do that. If you're not one of my clients, simply give us a shout over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com, and we'll tell you how to be a developer partner. This is something we do for free for all of our IDXBroker clients, among a bunch of other cool things that we set up for you for free at no charge. And we'll help you out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you can get notified when we upload new videos. We upload lots of IDXBroker tutorials and tutorials to help out realtors. And I hope you enjoyed this one today. Have a great day.